from EuroCup Basketball. Frank Lower from EuroCupBasketball.com here with Rimas Kurtinaitis, first coach to win 2 EuroCups, this time with Khimki. A lot of pressure on the home team, but you guys knew how to handle the pressure.
So I'm happy for sure. I just read yesterday that I can be the coach who will win 2 leagues, so I'm happy that I got 2 cups. But anyway, it's not my purpose for the future, because I, as all coaches, want to play in EuroLeague, and I more happy than not for the cup winner, but that we got a ticket to next season EuroLeague.
That's very true. Last time you won the cup, you didn't go to the EuroLeague,
yeah,
and you played there for so many years. Now you're going as a coach. That's wonderful. Yeah. Tell us about the game and what you thought made the difference for you guys.
So I think we play much better than we played yesterday. And it's really was tough and nice game, and both teams play well in Valencia. So we was a little bit better. Remember, I talked before the game. We got better experience for the tough games, because yesterday we was close to lose, and we got the shortly experience. So, and Valencia got easy game, not easy, but it's more easy than we, and for sure it helps us today in the last minutes to break a game and to win.
You had leaders, Zoran Planinic, the MVP, Chris Olonchar, even after playing so much last night, came out and did a great job. But you had help from a lot of guys, even the younger Russian guys.
Yeah, you know, we was talking about this. We got maybe 6-7 guys in our team who can take a leadership in the end of the game. So you saw the good example. Then Zoran was out 5 minutes until the end, and then it's Chris Queen. He takes a leadership, so he's make a structure for our offense and play perfect defense. So it means we build a team for the team play, not just for separate players. And they are not leaders in our team. We make them leaders. So another guys make them leaders in our team. So I'm happy for them, and I'm happy for the team.
And last question, how did you like that ride in the air that your players gave you, with throwing you up in the air?
So it's perfect. It's the second time for me in this EuroCup, so it was nice.
Okay, congratulations, Coach Kurtinaitis.
Thank you.